How to log out of iCloud on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can log out of iCloud on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of iCloud on iPhone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up settings. Then just tap your Apple ID profile from your top right. Scroll down, look for the option called sign out. Now in case a sign out option is grayed out, it means that Find My is enabled, so you need to turn off Find My in order to sign out of your Apple ID. To do this, you just need to tap the Find My option here. Tap on Find My iPhone. Currently you can see it's turned on. Make sure to just turn this thing off. Make sure to enter your Apple ID password to confirm it, and then tap the turn off button to turn off Find My. And then only once you've turned off Find My, you'll be able to log out of iCloud, or more importantly, your Apple ID. This way you can log out of iCloud on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.